Well. Yes, you read it correctly. We're gonna be Captain America today. How do you design a shield today? So we're gonna do it. Welcome to Roblox Party. Okay, so instead of starting my game in the base plate, I'm just starting it in a village, in the template. So now, how do you design it? You can simply click on part, right? Or let's not use a part, maybe it's a bit boring maybe, so let's try something else. What we're going to do is we're going to go to toolbox and we're going to use meshes. What is the difference between meshes and models is meshes are just 3D models that uh, does not have any script inside them. They're just a 3D model that they're not doing anything, right? Yeah, this one looks fine. A Roman shield, okay. So how do you design a shield that help you not to get any kind of a damage? Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is this is a shield. You can see that I have added it. I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna right click and rename it. Let's call it shield. The next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add inside it a script. Obviously, you want it to work. Please follow the full tutorial if you want it to work. I am not trolling anyone. I'm just showing you the correct thing how to design something. Now, if someone touches this script.parent dot touched, if anyone touches our shield, they should get the force field. They should get the force field around them. I'm going to close the properties, by the way. Okay, script.parent colon connect. Let's say it protect me. That's the function name. So if anyone touches the shield, we're going to run a code. We're going to run a function called protect me. Local protect me, right? So local function, I'm sorry. So if anyone touches the shield that we added, it's going to run a function called protect me. We're going to check who is touching it. Because do you want to give the shield to a tree if a tree touches it? Do you want to give the shield to a television if a television touches it? Maybe not, or maybe yes. But I don't want it. I don't want to give a shield to a water bottle. I don't want to give a shield to my car. I just want to give a shield to the character, the humanoid, right? So I'm going to check here local human equal who dot parent colon connect. Oh, find first child. So whoever touches the shield, we're gonna check inside him that does he have a file called humanoid or not. Again, every character, every NPC, every player in Roblox does have a file called humanoid. So we are checking that does he have a file called humanoid or not. So if he has a file called humanoid, then we're gonna give him the shield. Okay, how do you give him the shield? Look here, local. Let's call it shield equal instance. Instance means instantly, immediately. Same like instant noodles. The famous instant noodles in Thailand is Mama. The famous instant noodle in India is Maggi, right? So if anyone touches the shield and is a humanoid, he's a character, then instantly create something new. I'm telling my game, instantly create something new. The game is like, fine, what do you want me to create new? I want you to create force field. Fine, the game is like, fine, I'll create the force field, but who should I give this force field to? So this shield, the parent, the owner of it should be who? Obviously, the humanoid who touched it. The humanoid who touched it should be the parent of it, should be the owner of it, not parent. Sorry, parent. Okay. Now, do you want a superpower to stay long with you? Maybe not. I want to wait for, let's say, 7 seconds and I will destroy this shield. So you will have this superpower, you will enjoy this superpower only for 7 seconds, and then I'm gonna destroy it. So one more time, if anyone touches the shield, it's gonna run a function called protect me. You can name it anything you want. So we're gonna check who touched it. If a humanoid touched it, we're gonna create a force field. The owner of the force field is the character, and after 7 seconds he will lose his power. Let's see if it really works or not. Okay. So you can see I have just spawned in the game. Okay, I should touch it and I have the force filter. Oh, wow, it looks so cool. Wow, perfect. Now, again, obviously, we will test it out with some zombies and all. But before we do that, let's add some music also. When I touch it, maybe I want to have a sound effect. So let's search in the toolbox, power up, some kind of a music, not power up. Okay, let's play. Oh my god, that was scary. That was scary.
Double points!
My goodness, why would someone add all those stuff? Health, scary sound. I don't know why. Okay, that I'll choose this one. I will insert this audio. You see, this audio might be in some another folder, so please make sure you drag it and put it inside your shield, and you rename it to be called as sound. I mean, you can rename it anything, but I'm calling it sound so that we do the code together and it works for you. Now when you touch it, it should play the sound effect. So maybe before the wait, I'm gonna do like this now. Script dot parent dot sound colon play. So if I touch that thing, it will script dot parent dot sound play. Just play the sound when I touch it. Let's see if it works or not. I'll play it. The sound should work. And also one more thing I'm gonna check is my shield should be gone after 7 seconds. So my character is not loaded perfectly yet. Okay. You see, there was a music, and let's see if after 7 seconds it's gone. So it works only for 7 seconds. But obviously, you want to check it with some zombies. So let's try it out with some zombies. I'm gonna type zombies in the modal section, and let's try it with the tank zombie. Okay, let's add two of them. Let's test it out. So it should protect me from those zombies. I mean, that's the whole point of making this thing, right? So, oh, they are very fast. Man, they also got the shield. Oh my goodness. What was that? What we saw? That was why that happened. Actually, I wanted to show you guys it. Why that happened is because a zombie also has a file called humanoid inside them. So that's why this shield will give, there's one disadvantage, it will give the shield to the zombie as well. Okay. But anyway, for a multiplayer game, you can design this thing. Okay, let's see. Come now. I'm not scared of you fellas. Why is that? I mean, it should protect you, but anyway, not sure why it's not protecting. Maybe it depends on the zombie as well. Let me try another kind of a zombie here. Okay. Let's see if it works for this zombie. Maybe it's not working for all the zombies, but obviously the force field should work. Okay. Let's see. Because that zombie is made by someone, I think, not by Roblox. That's why. But let's have a look. Well. Okay. Let me try a laser. So we know one thing, that this is not working for so this is not working for a zombie. So let's see if it works for this thing. Okay, let's try. I'll delete that zombie, by the way. What is happening? Okay, let me just tell you one thing. This shield will only protect you from mines, I think. Uh, yeah. Let's try this one last time, and if it does not work, that means I have failed making a shield. Okay, fine. Let's see. I touch this shield and you can see nothing happened. Nothing happened there. Nothing happened there to me, right? But if I, one more time, I will show you guys. If I touch it, oh, the mine cannot work anymore. Okay, it worked. See, so it works on mine actually. It works on landmine. Your thing will work with the landmine, but let's try it without the shield. Will I die? And the answer is yes, you will die. So this shield will protect you from guns and mines. I hope it helped you out. That should be pretty much it for this video, guys. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share to Roblox. Party.